How do you know an inequality solution set is all real numbers? Imagine trying to find out if every number you pick makes an inequality true. Sometimes, no matter what number you choose, the inequality always holds. That's what we call the solution set being all real numbers. But how can you tell for sure? Let's walk through it step by step. First, think about what a solution set really is. It's the collection of all numbers that make the inequality true. For example, if you have the inequality is greater than 2, then the solution set includes every number bigger than 2. But what if the solution set is all real numbers? That means every number, no matter what, makes the inequality true. Now, how do you figure that out? When you solve an inequality, you usually do some algebra to get it into a simpler form. Sometimes, after simplifying, you end up with a statement that is always true, no matter what value you substitute for the variable. For example, if you simplify an inequality and get something like 5 is greater than 2, that is always true. Since it's always true, every number you plug in will satisfy the original inequality. Another way to see this is if, after simplifying, the variable cancels out completely. If you're left with a true statement like 3 is less than 5, then the inequality is true for all numbers. That means the solution set is all real numbers. But if you end up with a false statement, like 4 is less than 3, then no number will satisfy the inequality, and the solution set is empty. Let's look at an example. Suppose you have the inequality 2 times x plus 1 is greater than 2 times x minus 3. When you subtract to x from both sides, you get 1 is greater than minus 3. Since 1 is always greater than minus 3, this statement is true for any value of x, so the solution set includes every real number. You can also think of it graphically. When the solution set is all real numbers, the graph on the number line is shaded completely, showing every point is part of the solution. It's like the inequality is true everywhere. To sum it up, if after solving an inequality you end up with a statement that is always true, then the solution set is all real numbers. It means no restrictions on the variable. This is a key idea in understanding inequalities and how to interpret their solutions. Whenever you see a statement that holds true no matter what, you know the solution set is the entire set of real numbers.